Welcome to the 7th and final video tutorial on Android Runner and its tools. In this video, I'll show you how to get started with recording interactions on your device using the Monkey Runner API. In one of the prior videos, I mentioned briefly that Monkey Runner is an API that lets you control aspects of your Android device locally. We'll go through the required dependencies to use this tool, and we'll also work through a quick example of interacting with the device, and then we'll export those interactions into a text file locally so that they can be replayed later in an experiment. If you haven't already, make sure that you have Monkey Runner installed. To do that, go to the framework's main page, find contributing.md, scroll down, copy and paste this command into your terminal, hit enter. Once that is installed, visit this link here. This link has some dependencies and some helpful scripts that we'll use to record our interactions. So specifically this monkeyrecorder.py. So what you need to do is visit that link, download and extract these files onto your machine locally. And also make sure that your device is connected to ADB. Next, we're going to start the recorder. So we need the Monkey Runner binary here on the left. So for me, this is my path. You might not even need to include a path, but for me, I do. And then on the right is the Monkey Recorder script that we're going to call with the Monkey Runner binary. So let's execute this. Alright, so think about this in the context of a web experiment going to wikipedia.org. Not only do you want to go to wikipedia.org, but you want to do some sort of interactions. So our interaction, our use case is going to be to go to view Amsterdam's Wikipedia page, log in, and make some edits to the Wikipedia page. I mean, this is going to be purely hypothetical. It's not something that you would probably ever do, but I think it'll be a helpful example. So the first thing, so we can see that we have a couple of buttons up here on the top, and this is just a mirror. This is the Monkey Runner tool mirroring the actual device, and in my case it's just an emulator over here on the right. So if we want to record some actions, first we need to click on this box. Next, we need to type something, so we're going to want to go to view Amsterdam's Wikipedia page, so we'll need to type that in. We do the same here on the right in the emulator. Oops. So yeah, I guess just be careful when you're clicking around here, because this is not something that we want. So forgetting that mistake, we'll need to type the search, hit the search button there. That'll take us to the Wikipedia page for View Amsterdam. Now we want to edit this page. So we have to log in first. You need to click on the enter username, type in your username. Next we want to click on enter password, and then we need to type in a password, so this is going to be my last name. Next you click on this login button. So purely hypothetical example. This is not my Wikipedia username and password, obviously, but the next thing we can do is export these actions into a text file. So we can just type in monkey log and save that into here. Let's open up that log file, bring it here. So as you can see, these are the exact commands that I entered into the monkey recorder. You can then use this text file to replay these commands in an experiment. So hopefully this will help you run your experiments and interactions. And that's it. Hopefully this video was useful.